Feel pretty good. A little bit nervous and excited. Nervousness was more about parking and getting situated, but everything's situated now, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm pretty competitive, so I'll try to keep up as much as I can, but obviously just you want to finish, which I don't think will be a problem. But yeah, I'm gonna try to push a little bit.
This year, the neat thing is we've recruited 2 new guys, fresh from Mary Freebed and Eric Westover and Ted Drosky. We've got those 2 guys, and they're on Force 3s, which are actually like an upright bike, but we want them to to start out that way so they can get their strength, and then eventually hopefully we can get them down into more of one of the racer hand cycles like the RX. But that's the neat part about being a coach, and even Brad Bowman would say, like, the neat part about that is just passing the torch on to other people and getting them going.
Good luck in the 25K.
Here come the first 2 Mary Freebed wheelers. And number 10130 is coming up to the finish line of the 25K hand cycle division. Finishing up her 10K. Across the finish line, hand cyclist. Way to go, Steve Chapman. They're trying. Who's going to win this race? The wheelchair division.
It was tough. Like I said, I kind of went out fast, and then I slowed down and paced myself. Then once I got warmed up, it felt pretty good. But it was definitely fun, and definitely something to work for toward next year,